Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about wool yarns for knitting. Possibly the idea of wearing wool makes you think of something itchy and uncomfortable, disappointing shrunken sweaters or some other knitting disaster. All of these are valid things to be concerned about. After all, we want our finished knits to be comfortable, well fitted and enjoyable to knit and to wear. Yes, wool can shrink and it can be itchy, but it doesn't have to be, unless of course you have a wool allergy. But if you are able to knit with wool yarn, there are so many different types and textures available that it's just a whole world of its own. Let's dive in. The excellent Fleece and Fibre Sourcebook estimates that there's about 1,400 different sheep breeds living in the world today. Sheep are hardy beasts, and there are many different native breeds from around the world that grow wool cleverly suited to their natural environment. And of course, sheep have been farmed for centuries, if not millennia, crossbred over time for either meat or wool production. These days, the softest wool that you'll find in your yarn shop probably comes from the Merino sheep, which probably accounts for the popularity of this as a knitting fibre. It's certainly not the only soft wool available though, because we've also got Rambouillet, we've got Polwarth, Finland sheep wool, Targhee, Shetland and Gotland lamb's wool are some of the softest wools that are suitable for next to skin wear. How soft a yarn feels also partly depends on the fineness of the fibre, also called the micron count, how tightly plied or twisted the actual yarn is, as well as the quality of the fleece used, and whether the fibre is a first clip of lamb's wool or whether it's wool that has been taken from an adult sheep. There's also the additional question of whether the wool has been superwash treated, where the yarn is treated to artificially smooth the fibres to make it less susceptible to felting or shrinking. The best way to judge if a yarn is right for you is just to go ahead and give it a feel and ask the yarn shop owner for advice. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.